So it was on her fingers. So we're gonna do which point? 5 tiger? One. Okay, so we feel the bone head. So take 5 tiger one is around here. Close enough to the bone head. Between the edge, that's where we can needle. So we can have you breathe in and breathe out. You tap when you breathe out. Okay, and then we actually gently push the needles in like this. It's right already. Then we can have you try to do Dong Qi technique. And then if she can do it, we can actually do it for her. We can gradually loosen up the joints. And then we can actually even try to exempt, make sure there's, based on her situation, some of her fascia might be out of the rank. That's why you got a sprain. How long ago since you have your fingers injured?
I reckon that's 6 to 8 weeks.
6 weeks. Okay. Okay. Try that by yourself.
It's less painful.
Is it start to shift,
Yeah.
right? Next, start to shift. Yeah, exactly.
Like for the movement.
And then we can even put the needles in. Then you feel different things. Did you see the difference?
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's even better.
Isn't it? So that shows how deep it goes